Welcome back. This is Area of a Circle Part 1. This is going to be Chapter 8, Lesson 2. Alright. This one right here is on page 627. Thank you. Page 627. So, things to note of the area of a circle. There's only one single formula for this. The area of a circle is actually written as pi r squared. Notice that in this case we need to have the radius, but of course you guys know how to find the radius. If you're given the diameter, which is 2r, to find the radius is actually half of the diameter. So it's just half of the diameter. You need to keep that in mind. So if we take a look, for instance, at a few questions for the circle, let's say if I'm given this here, the circle from one point to the other, and this is actually going to be 12.6. This is actually number 21. Number 21. If we're given this here, all right, notice that the formula is area is equal to pi r squared. We need to get, well, we know what pi is, 3.14. R, we need to find r, which is what?
6.3.
6.3. Very good. All right. So again, how do you find it? 12.6 divided by 2 gives me the 6.3 for the radius. All right. So once you get this is important. Please make a note. Let's not make that mistake. This is not 6.3 times 2.
It's 6.3 times 6.3.
Very good. So this is 3.14 times 6.3 times 6.3. So once we multiply that,
it's 39.69. That's 6.3 times 6.3. And then that times 3.14, 124.6266.
so 124.6266. If we want to round it to the tens place, 124.6, and I forgot to go ahead and put the unit of measurement. The unit of measurement is centimeters. So your final end result, guys, this is important. This is going to be centimeters squared. So whenever you have something centimeters squared, you're finding the area. I repeat, when something is like this in centimeters squared, you're finding the area. If it's centimeters cubed, you're actually finding the volume. Those are little things to point out. If it's, let's say, feet squared, you're finding the what?
Feet per square.
Area. If you're finding, let's say if it's given as feet cubed, then what is that?
Volume.
Volume. If it's just feet,
Nothing.
circumference or distance.
Because the thing is,
All right. And the reason why, let me explain to you because I forgot to put this. This is 6.3 centimeters, 6.3 centimeters. So this is 6.3 centimeters times 6.3 centimeters. This will give me centimeters squared.
so like if it's like a number and it has like the square on top and you solve the number, it has to have the unit of measurement and then the 2.
Yes. That's only for the area. So this is part 1. Let me go ahead and show you the next part over here, which is area of a circle.